Hey everyone, welcome to video 4 in the WordPress installation series, where I'm going to show you how to set your name servers for your domain name and explain to you what that means. So essentially a domain name is an address on the internet, and you can point that address to anywhere you want. That address can pull information from anywhere you want. So what we want to do is we want to point that address specifically to your hosting account, so that it knows so that the internet and your browsers know that when they go to www.yourdomain.com, the content for that domain is in your hosting account, so it knows where to go and look. And you do that by setting the name servers. So in the email you receive from BlueHost or a different hosting provider, no matter which one you use, they're going to have a name server, 2 name servers that you set in the hosting account. So here's just an example of a BlueHost email for an account that I set up for a client earlier today. And down here you see the name server area. And the name server is, so the first one is ns1.bluehost.com. The second one is ns2.bluehost.com. These ones are quite easy. Sometimes they can be quite complicated, like ns3468.whoever.com. Whatever it is, you gotta copy and paste them, and I'll show you where you copy and paste them. When you go back into your GoDaddy account, into the domain management section, GoDaddy automatically signs you out after so many minutes. It's kind of a pain. But when you sign back into your hosting account, find the domain section, click on the launch button, and that will take you to your domain dashboard. There's a bunch of options up in the top menu that are grayed out until you check the box beside the domain name. So you check the appropriate box, then you click on or hover over the name servers option and click on the set name servers link. That will open this pop-up, and by default it would be set to standard, and these are the standard GoDaddy.com name servers. You want to click on custom, and there will be a link to add a name server. So you click on add name server, and then you just copy and paste the name server into that box. In this case we're copying ns1. You just paste it in there, and then you add another one, and you post, well, the second one is ns2. So you have them both in there, then you click OK, and then they would appear here. So when you set the domain name servers, it takes up to 72 hours to actually take effect. Sometimes it goes a lot faster. I've had it work within 2 minutes, but I've also had it not work for 72 hours, even longer than that. But usually if it's more than 7 days, something went wrong. Even if it goes longer than 72 hours, it's pretty rare that it goes longer than that. So if it does, something went wrong somewhere. You gotta check your name servers. If they're correct, you have to contact GoDaddy and see if there's something wrong on their end or something that they can help you adjust. And that's it for setting your domain servers. It's actually quite easy. In the next video, we're going to go back into the cPanel and add this domain that you just bought and set the name servers for, add that to your hosting account so that both the systems know what they're doing and they're both talking to each other properly. So I hope this information served you. I hope this helps you get the job done, and I'll see you in the next video.
What you gotta do to fight on, so no matter what comes your way.